Tungalaka Torasien Vestarana Koratuen.
We honor the spirit of the metal beast. Accept our fire. Guide us through the night. The metal sleeps, the jungle breathes. We call the power, the darkness yields.
Greetings. We are here for the vehicle. Please step back so we can work.
Spirits of the earth, hear our voices. Guide us through the night. The metal moves again.
Easy now. We appreciate your cooperation. All teams, maintain situational awareness. Moving to the vehicle now.
All right, everyone, we need you to clear this area now. Move back behind the lights. Clear the area, move behind the line now.
Copy that. Extending the boom.
Secure the front chain.
We need to clear this area for safety. If you could please step back behind the lights. Thank you. The chassis is compromised here.
Confirmed. The rust penetration is severe on the passenger side frame rail. Did you get a shot of the peeling paint on the door?
Yes, and the laser scan confirms structural wear near the roofline.
We've got significant corrosion on the front quarter.
Rear cables are clear. Advise proceeding slowly on the lift.
Copy that. We are clear for lift.
Watch the clearance on the passenger side. Looks good from here. All right, she's down. Locking the suspension now. This is going to be a challenging one. The corrosion is extensive.
Agreed. Let's start with the diagnostics and see what we're really up against.
This stress point on the frame rail is completely compromised.
I see it. We'll start disassembly here and evaluate the floor pan next.
There she's. Lots of work ahead. Yeah, look at that rust. Grab the impact, let's get this intake off.
Careful with that bezel, it's fragile. Understood. I'm taking it to the cleaning station now.
We finished the teardown. Next, we address the stress fractures on the driver's side rail before the bracing goes in. The corrosion on the firewall is extensive, measuring almost 3 millimeters deep here. Okay, noted. The rear brace also shows significant pitting.
여기 측정값은 정확히 45cm입니다. 알겠습니다. 45요. 여기를 절단선으로 표시하고 기준점을 다시 확인해 볼게요.
The metal work is officially done. Ready for paint prep.
Looks solid. We can move it to the next bay.
Cross-referencing this against the manifest now. Yep, that's the lower control arm. Confirmed. The finish is exactly what we needed.
All right, the control arms are unwrapped. Did you inspect the bushings? Yes, they're perfect. We can start organizing the hardware now.
This stretches well without cracking. And the calipers confirm the thickness here. Looks good. Inventory complete on the Monterey. Everything accounted for, ready for assembly. The chrome looks perfect. We need to attach the suspension mounts here before the wiring harness goes in. Got it? I'll grab the impact wrench. Almost there. How's the alignment gauge looking? Holding steady. That's a perfect fit. Check the alignment now. That's exactly where it needs to be. Nice work. Torque is set on the mounting bolts.
Verified. The console alignment is perfect. All right, slowly now. Keep that bezel steady. Looks good from here. The alignment is perfect. Yeah, beautiful.
What are you getting on the scope? Nice and tight. She's ready to roll.